What's up? So this is the second edition of Ask VTSS.
And thank you all for your questions. We had a lot of questions on Twitter, Instagram, but we're gonna answer only a few.
Yeah, because a lot of them were repeated from the last time.
You guys haven't watched the last one because there were a lot.
You should link it here.
I'm gonna link it here.
Okay, so we're gonna begin now. Okay, so first up, Ayushi Shrivastava has asked this. Can I ask you both to pose for a picture because I need a new wallpaper?
Okay.
We're always up for that.
I hope that was good for you. So, then we have Team Super Bangalore who says favorite Indian food / sweet. Gulab jamuns for me, definitely.
I actually prefer Ras Malai.
Yeah,
Sneha Israni asks, what do you all like about each other?
Nothing.
After 10 years, nothing at all.
Shut up.
Not
Seriously,
a thing.
what do you like about me yourself? One thing. You have to say one thing. You can say one thing. Don't say my hair because you're looking at it.
As in, it has to be something physical?
No, it can
Yeah.
be anything. It could be about my personality. It could be about anything.
One thing would be your smile. Not like that, I don't.
One thing about you that I like is your sense of humor.
Not my muscles?
One thing, I can't say more than one.
Yes.
Team Super Mumbai says, do you remember your first conversation? Yes, I do. Do you remember our first conversation?
Yeah, it was very brief.
It was like,
first
hi,
time-
hello.
Yeah, you said hi, I said hello. And that was it.
No, like Sushma, the lady who was the head of our agency, actually like introduced us at the Delhi
It was in the office.
office, and she was like, this
Your
is
mum
one-
was there with
My
you?
mom was there, and she was like, this is one of our Bombay models, and her mother, and her professor. Hello, hello.
I wasn't like hello. I said hello.
But yeah, that was the first conversation.
Yeah, but nothing interesting there. So next we have Ekta Daga. We have a huge
Wow, that's
message.
like about like 20 questions.
Yeah, that's like this big.
Let's pick one.
Who has an ego problem?
You.
Her.
It's him. It's him.
It's her.
Don't
She
pretend.
has a
But
huge-
like, please
You have a huge
admit
ego.
it.
No, you have a
Admit
huge
it.
ego. Like I mean, it's one of the things that I deal with on a daily
Yeah,
basis.
I'm sure. Yes. Please
And
admit.
it's affected me psychologically over the years, and I've become really docile, and I'm just like,
Docile.
yeah.
Sure.
I mean,
Next we have Josnita who says, what and where was your best date? Which has been your best date in the last 11 years?
wow, there have been so many. Dude. That's like finding a needle in a haystack. But the one that comes to my mind as I think about it, I think the one we had in New York at Izakaya.
You stole mine! I was gonna say
I didn't
that.
steal it, so that shows that like we're like on the same page.
I mean, I guess because it was the day we got engaged, so I mean.
Yeah, plus I mean the restaurant
Then
was
we loved it.
mind blowing.
Yeah, it was like our favorite
a
and-
Japanese place called Izakaya.
And then it shut down.
Yeah, but that was a great restaurant and a good date. Next up we have Malvika Awasthi, and she asks, what is your favorite pizza? Well, pizza is my favorite pizza.
That's true.
Any pizza is my favorite
Bebov
pizza.
always wants to eat pizza. It's like
Actually, currently, right now, I love going to Metro Pizza.
pizza metro pizza.
Yeah. Pizza Metro Pizza. Yeah. That place has awesome.
And Pizza Express, those are his two favorites.
Yeah.
And every time we want to go
don't,
out.
Don't talk like you don't like pizza. at
No,
all.
but I'm not like
I mean,
obsessive.
yeah, you like it on days, but I like it.
Like
every day.
Bebov could eat it 3 days straight in a row and
Yeah.
be happy.
And still go get some on the fourth day.
Yeah. Then we have Aparna M who says, oh, this is an interesting question. Who is the second most handsome man you find in India and why, considering Vaibhav as the most handsome at the moment? You're saying that. I'm
Really? She said that? I want to see that.
I would say, I mean, I'm not going to say who's first and second, but in India, I would say Arjun Rampal.
You just saw him at Fashion Week.
Yeah.
That's disgusting. She's cheap. She is cheap. And there is a machhar on my arm.
Thank you.
Akanksha with an X asks, current favorite YouTuber question mark.
I mean, we don't really have favorites as such, but I think
but we're currently watching a lot of Casey Neistat.
Yeah, we like to watch his vlogs.
His vlogs are very
Like
interesting.
he's
and
one
the way he shoots.
person I think we agree on. Like otherwise, I think you watch different people. I watch different people. But yeah.
I also love Good Mythical Morning.
Yeah, but that's you. I mean, it's together. I'd say Casey.
No, she never said together.
It's coupling. It's
Yeah, so
Ask
what?
Me TSS.
Yeah, still, I mean, I have my own life as well. And so do you.
Okay, now lots of questions about fighting.
Oh, my favorite
Who
topic.
says sorry? Do we really fight? Are we real people?
Never.
Never ever.
Never have we ever fought.
It's all not.
I don't know what that was though.
So you wanna answer that question?
We fight all the time. Well, not all the time, but we fight the normal amount.
I mean, we were just fighting, like
Yes.
with who gets to sit on what side.
Oh no, that was just now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we were fighting about will I be on this side or she'll be on that side. I won that one though.
But it's all the time. I mean, I don't think there's.
Not all the time. Don't make us sound like horrible people.
No,
who are fighting
but
all
like
the time.
normal people, like we bicker,
fight. We
and
fight.
it's
Yeah,
not
we
like
fight the
don't,
normal amount. We
like,
fight the normal
It's
amount.
not like you guys see a really small portion of
Of
our
our
life
life,
on
yeah.
this channel, and if we do fight during a video, it's usually edited out. So yeah, we definitely fight a lot.
Maybe we'll put up some footage of our
We're both
fights on
Leos
camera.
and yeah, we are both Leos, so there's a lot of fighting.
We're gonna have to edit some part of that.
And who says sorry first? It's definitely me. Whoever asked that question, whoever never says sorry, it's like the hardest thing to get out of.
Who's always right? Okay, so now I have a question about cooking.
Oh, we have lots of questions about cooking.
Yes.
Actually, even I have many
It's
questions. About
Anjali spelt with a U asks who cooks better.
There are also a lot of other questions about do we cook for each other and like things like that.
What would you cook for
well,
them?
I'd just like to set the record straight. I do not cook at all. At all. And neither has Vaibhav. You don't cook.
I mean,
You could. Yeah. If
I could cook better than her.
You could cook better than me, yeah.
But I don't.
But we don't. Neither of us cook, so like, yeah, that's not happening.
We're more
We
of the
decide to
eaters.
go out and eat and
We're the
and
eaters,
not
not
cook.
the cookers. Cookers or cooks?
Tanima Rahela asks, so boys are just a mess sometimes, so how do you handle it if Vaibhav touches your face with
Excuse
dirty
me?
hands? Oh my god, like, what do I do? If you
What
touch
she
my
said?
face?
Boys are a mess.
Yeah.
Always, like in general,
No, like, I mean, you're dirty people, I guess.
like as a species, you're saying?
I suppose. I mean, I'm not gonna agree with that because right now we're just staring at the mess in my room on the other side, and it is really messy.
Come see my room.
So I won't say that boys are a mess, but yeah, I am really paranoid about people.
and I
touching my
never
face.
get to touch her face.
No,
And
you
if,
do.
If I do,
If you
I,
just
I
wash your
get,
hands.
I get a smack on my hand.
Yeah, like I don't like it at all. Like if I see someone's hand coming towards my face, I'm just like, ugh.
That's good to know. So next up, Optimistic Juvenile asks, have either of you read 50 Shades of Grey? If yes, thoughts? If no, why not? And do you intend to do in the near future? Also, if someone hasn't, what do you think it consists of?
I've read all the books, but
I haven't read any. How many are there?
I think that's 3 as far as I can remember. I don't know. I read them really long ago. If you're a juvenile, I don't think it's age appropriate, so I wouldn't.
Even if you're a grown up, I think you should
no.
just avoid it.
No, I thought it was solid masala, but yeah.
Okay.
Tanishta M says, now this is my favorite question of the video. What is Vaibhav's favorite Manyavar Sherwani?
The one I wore at my fake wedding.
Did you enjoy the wedding?
Yes, I was very emotional.
Yeah, were you dancing?
Definitely was not dancing to that. So next up, Sanjana asks, if you were to compare sherry to a fruit, what would it be and why? And vice versa. What kind of fruit? Well, right now you look like a pineapple with this thing happening. And also pineapple is your favorite.
Right
As
now,
you
yeah,
can see.
it is. Stop pulling things out of my cupboard!
Pineapples everywhere.
There are a lot of pineapples in the room, yeah.
And in your wardrobe.
Yes.
And in your fridge.
Okay, so I'm gonna say a watermelon because it's really sweet
that's so round.
and yummy, but it's got seeds inside it as well. So you've got kind of
Shady seeds inside.
like positive and negative. I'm looking deep into the fruit.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Next up we have Pallavi Mastakar and she asks, will you guys have a Punjabi wedding or a Parsi wedding?
There are also lots of other wedding questions
Yeah.
like when's the wedding and
It's tonight. Please come.
it's not. What kind of wedding and all sorts of things like that. But we haven't planned anything yet. Like we don't even have dates yet.
It'll neither be a Punjabi wedding nor a Parsi wedding. It'll be a court marriage.
Civil wedding.
Yes, because we are civilized. That's not funny.
I think I'm done. I think that's it. I
Oh,
don't
really?
think I have any more questions.
In fact, I have one last question,
Okay.
and it's a very practical question by Srush XOXO. She asks, what is the size of your room?
My room, like this room,
I suppose.
I mean it's small, really small.
That's very vague. You need to be specific. So after having diligently measured the room, we have come to a conclusion.
Which is?
This room is small. Very small.
I already said that.
It's actually 10 feet by 14 feet.
That's it?
Yes.
So be bigger.
Very small.
So those are all the questions we're gonna answer today.
That's all?
Yes, that's all.
How rude. No, but we'll do another edition of Ask BDSS at a later date. Thank you for liking and commenting on this video.
And we will see you soon. Bye.
Bye.
Ah!
Bye.